Also, just to recap, the latest figures in Germany were released early doors this morning with respect to COVID case numbers. The German COVID-19 infection rate climbing to the highest in 3 months in the latest daily figures. Via the
good morning.
They showed an increase in new cases of 21,693, with new deaths up at 342. In terms of supply to expect today out in Europe, we'll get the German Sirleaf worth €1.5 billion of the 1.25% 2048 bonds. And in the UK, we'll get some linker supply. The UK will be selling 600 million sterling worth of the 2051 linkers. On Monday at 3:30 p.m. local time in the UK, BOE's Haskell speaks on a webinar. And in terms of earnings on the UK front, Tesco will be reporting before the cash open.
Let's fucking go time to make some money. Get that bread.
Another equity news, according to IFX, Gazprom may pay dividends at about 12 rubles per share.
Taking my hand, leading the way, staying the night. Looking at you, making your moves, there is no silence. I wish you'd never let go. All this moving in the zone, I'ma lose it out of control. Yeah. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay the night. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. When we go, we lose track of time. You and I, we can stay inside. Time goes fast, I don't care. I've known you long enough. I know what I want, know that I care. Nothing can change that. Talk to me, babe, fall for me, babe. Need you to hear me. Never have I felt this way. I hope you feel the same. I'ma lose it out of control. Looking so sweet, but you're dynamite. I just wanna dance with you. Feeling that burn, I'm not getting out. Yeah. Baby, you make me lose my mind. Maybe you wanna stay tonight.
It's another vaccine news. According to a paper seen by Reuters, Italy's medicines agency may recommend the use of Johnson & Johnson vaccine only for over 60s. And in geopolitics here, South Korea is to consider possible lawsuit versus Japan's Fukushima water plan.
All right, good morning, everyone. I just bought and sold the euro, both at the same time actually, because there is no real direction. I mean, it looks kind of bullish, but there's very little room to put a stop on. I mean, I would need to have at least a 45 pip stop, and that's just not something I do. So let's just see where this is gonna go. But on the divergence end, I'm gonna have a look at pound yen, because the Japanese yen is very high up, and the British pound and the US dollar is extremely far down. So it's nothing for pound dollar, but pound yen.
Yes, I am waiting for Euro USD to break WAP and then sell to pivot.
Yeah, I'm just keep adding to the position with the same stop loss and the same. So basically, I'm gonna get stopped out either way. If it breaks the high here, let me just make this another color. Yeah, this is just 3 pips actually. This is not very far. And on the downside, I maybe find a better place to stop it out. But this is currently VWAP -6. This is just a fun trade, so I'm gonna focus more on pound yen actually. But there is the same problem. There is a setup, but I cannot really put a stop on. And that's usually not a good thing. So a structural stop would be, I don't know, 78 pips up, and that's the same. That's just something I don't do. Okay, that could work as an ugly head and shoulders kind of thing.
That's where my TP is.
Yeah, a take profit makes a lot more sense, but the problem is, where do you put the stop with 23 pips above reverb already? So I'm thinking of shorting that here. Back to the reverb. Oh, sorry, that's supposed to be red. Yeah, that looks kind of legit. Let's just do that.
Other equity news, Barclays raising the target price on Royal Mail to 530 pence from 400.
Yes, Kuroda will come out how BOJ buying yen and then it goes down in an hour.
Yeah, I just hope I'm not gonna get stopped out until then.
And in mining news, Goldman Sachs has raised Glencore to a buy from neutral. Goldman raising the Glencore price target to 350 pence. And according to the stamper, Italy and partners may not renew with Johnson & Johnson and AstraZeneca from 2022.
I've been waiting all my life for someone like you. I would watch the days go by, wasted in blue. I was out of use. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way, I feel I can't lose. I wanna shout it out, ain't no limit. I wanna shout it out to the world. You got me all worked up, got me spinning. I'm crazy for love, crazy for love, crazy for love. Whenever lost, whenever down, you know what to do. There's no mountain I won't climb to be right by your side, right by your side. Now every day, every night, every moment with you, I'm walking on air. And every day, every way,
Hello trader, I selling GBPJPY 2.
Yeah, it's not very heavy. I'm not so sure yet where things gonna go.
Dollar CAD.
Hi. Hello Mario. How are you?
Acted kinda innocent this morning. You don't wanna talk it out. I agree the talking feels pointless. Still it happens every night. You know that I need ya, but I'm so sick of this, not sure I can leave ya. It'd be so hard to quit, but every night that we explode, wish I could walk out that door. Hate that I need ya. Yeah. Play it cool, just keep on dancing. Soon we'll burn down into ashes. Cause you keep playing with matches. Hate that I want you. Yeah. Running out
How going copy service? On your cloud? Still only internally using?
You can copy other accounts too.
Did hear from Reuters signing a paper that the EU Commission is set to not renew AstraZeneca and Johnson & Johnson's COVID-19 vaccine contracts when they expire at the end of the year.
Is it already public? It working well?
Reboot, I'm cold red, my service automated, like data running through my veins. Got you distracted, subconscious overloaded. Careful, don't pull the cord on me. No time to stay around. Keep walking till you get out of my face. Regrets, restricted access. I'm used to flying to get up in your. We love discharging. I can't waste my time with someone slowing me down. So high, I'm floating. I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Can't take my crown. Rewind my circuits, but you don't get that courage 'cause you can handle my game.
GBPJPY buy now, 150.863 buy limit, 150.720, 150.646 stop, 150.298 TP1, 151.208 TP2, 151.4 TP3, 151.796 TP4, 152.192. This is the signal I found on SwingFish. This hit stop loss correct?
I'm floating, I'm shining in my prime. Start rolling over 'cause you can't take my crown. I'll always be 10 feet off the ground. My crown.
Dollar CAD.
Can't take my crown.
Yeah, looks like it. Too bad, so close.
All good. Thank you for confirming.
Oh, the win rate is still 70%. Come on, Nikai, move it.
I'm long Euro Yen. My target is around the pivot. Are you more long bias on the Euro right now?
As of now, yes, but I'm not so sure this is gonna last very long.
Russia wants mutually beneficial relations with the US. As RIA citing the Russian Foreign Ministry on the US relationship. Just over 3 minutes time now to the top of the
Doge
RSB
just
at the
broke the
European
all-time high,
futures open
LOL.
for the start of the day.
Euro Yen is already past pivot. You mean
Data
R1?
is scheduled for release at the top of the hour, though we do expect earnings out of Tesco this morning in UK equity space.
There's no such thing as an all-time high.
Start today in the next hour, so we expect to hear from a couple of central bank speakers as ECB's Villeroy is said to be speaking on Bloomberg TV, cited for
R1
10
is a
past.
pivot.
Additionally, Bank of Japan's Kuroda is said to be delivering a speech at 1/4 past.
There's always an all-time high. Why is everybody horny about that?
Semantics.
Yeah, right.
Yeah.
Hey, somebody's alive, finally.
Technically speaking, you could just take a pivot as it is, high, low, close, divide by 3, and then you could add in whatever formula you want for R1, R2, like they do. And I could be like, that's a pivot. That's a fucking pivot. Yeah.
Yeah, in the end, it's just a number in the middle of nowhere. Just like the all-time high.
I'm actually pivot fluid. I change pivots all the time. There's at least 50 pivot genders, Fish, if you didn't know.
Is that something that should concern me in some way?
Yeah.
That took very long to answer.
Well, I had to consider a lot of things. Do you appreciate I put time into thinking into complete bullshit? Because I do.
Come on, Nikai, make me some money. Actually, I had no signal for when I started trading, and I still have none. I'm just shorting pound for no reason and buying and selling euro dollar at the same time because I have no clue where it's gonna go. I just bought a Nikkei, but just on one account, nothing really fancy. But that doesn't look so healthy. And it's not really going in line with my pound yen short.
In case you guys don't know, Fish is a fucking magician. He pulled a face mask out from under his hat. Okay, that's all you need to know. That was fucking legendary, and I think the entire highlight of 2021 for me so far. The best part is it wasn't recorded, so it just remains like a legend and a myth.
Mystery.
Yeah. Had to be there. Every time we say this story, the face mask gets bigger, or there's more of them. I don't know. He was wearing a sombrero. Yeah, it was like that. No, but Usman, please help me. How do I say your name? Is it Usman? Usman? That's all I can think of.
On the crypto space here, seeing ECB publishing the results of their public consultation on a digital euro this morning. Post the full
Oh, it is us, man.
board, but
Okay.
seeing a preference for digital euro being integrated into existing banking and payment systems.
Nah, you can't just say nah. You can't be like,
Do you hear things I don't?
nah. Yeah.
I'm scared now.
Should we continue from that, or like, do you want context? Or... Oh, it is Usman. Okay, Usman. Ah, see,
It sounds very Arabic, but Japanese characters in the username.
I know, that's what throws me off. Where are you?
Enlighten us. I wanna die stupid.
Yeah.
Where you get the conversation from?
Hodl my beer.
Oh, okay.
They're becoming druid, though they should be using voice context, but yeah. It's okay to be druid sometimes, guys, but not all the time.
Oh, that mad GIF is epic.
Well, that's literally what you look like,
Russian
so...
US relations, as RIA reports that Lavrov and Kerry did discuss a possible Putin-Biden meeting.
That is fluid pivot indeed.
Oh yeah, no, he just likes that I said pivot fluid. There's a Japanese city where I live. Is this Japanese city perhaps in Japan, or is it in fucking Mexico? Like, could you give us the context? What the fuck? Third world country. Oh, you guys have like a Japantown. Okay. No, Jesus Christ. Looks like you might be right, Fish. I don't know. Yeah, he's from Pakistan. Oh, there you go. Usman. Thank you. I can also roll my R's, you know, I'm pretty exotic.
Oh shit, I forgot about the resistance on the euro. That's gonna hurt me in a minute, I guess.
Yeah, I'm still in it long.
Yeah, but this is at a tricky position here right now. Probably gonna go down from here.
Yeah. I'm looking at daily candles, so I'm gonna shut up.
Yeah, this is likely not gonna break out. Ah, and the Nikkei is going down. Damn it. Okay, one more time, just for the fun of it. Damn you, Nikkei, this is gonna get expensive. Damn, MetaTrader is so fucking complicated. Yeah, resistance is holding on the euro. This is gonna fuck around forever here.
Why use MT5 on IC markets?
Oh, this is just a different account. I'm how to say that? Temporary trading. So just copy my trader positions, but I just added a few more to make some money a little bit quicker. You know, the usual gambling.
This comments from ECB's Villeroy on Bloomberg TV this morning. The policy should remain accommodative in the next years.
Yeah, the euro seems to hold the resistance. Should have shorted it actually. This is just gonna fuck around forever here. Thinking of buying euro or yen. Bitcoin just casually moved $600.
Yeah.
Further from ECB's Villeroy, that 2% inflation is a target, not a ceiling, and PEPP will run at least until March 2022.
Bitcoin pumping up extreme.
Leroy saying that the ends of the PPP purchase program doesn't mean the end of accommodative policy.
I just found out why my deafen doesn't work. There's a conflict in hotkeys. Yeah, now it works.
Leroy saying they should implement swiftly the next generation EU fund. Comments from Bank of Japan Governor Kuroda coming through now. The Japanese economy in a severe situation, but picking up as a trend. Leroy saying the corporate bond purchases are an important part of ECB aid. Kuroda saying that the Japanese economy will continue improving ahead. Macro is saying that prices will be turning positive and accelerate pace of increase as the economy improves. So the full
I think we're gonna close the pound yen short.
released will be posted on our board here as he looks to the economy, saying risks and prices skew to the downside.
Dollar CAD.
Fuck yeah.
Looking to Italy now, and also reports that the budget document indicates a deficit of 10 to 11%.
Hell yeah.
What happened?
Oh, I'm just so happy to be here.
So happy what?
I'm so happy to be here in the SwingFish community.
What happened?
Huh? Oh, nothing. I'm just really happy to be here.
I can change that. Hold on a second.
If you don't know the market structure, then how can we speak about it?
Yeah. There's a yin to every yang.
LOL.
Just trying to help here.
Don't do that. Don't help. I don't need help. I need to figure it out myself, alright? If I don't do it myself, I'll never get anywhere.
Okay.
Now, can I have a free prop account, please, with a lot of money?
That's where this is coming from. Where's my ban button?
Hold on.
I just freed one button on the small stream deck. I could put a ban there.
That would be so fucking dangerous if you misclicked that.
Dollar CAD.
I need to make a meme out of that.
A meme out of what? Which part?
Amarav.
Hi, I'm not high.
Trying to teach you something.
Oh, it's just because I'm from Cali. I switch personalities a lot. Also, I think the caffeine's wearing off. Can someone gift me Nitro for a month? Thank you.
What do you want to do?
Oh, I just want a GIF as my profile picture and use emotes. I don't know.
So needy.
I know. It's just like, I don't know, like, cause they just do like auto after the month and you have to cancel it. And I'm like, I don't want to keep track of that shit. So if someone gifts it to you, you don't have to keep track of anything. It's beautiful. Oh, I know. I'll just use my alt account and gift it to me. Yeah.
Why not just purchase it?
No, hold on. Because I might have to cancel the subscription, right? Like, I don't want to do that. I'll forget. I'll literally just fucking forget. Look back at the end of the year and be like, oh yeah.
Just purchase it and then cancel the permission on PayPal.
Ah.
Like immediately.
Okay.
Then they cannot renew you. They're gonna send you 7 billion emails and then take it away after a month.
And then I'll do it again in 3 months and they'll be like, all right, fucker. Your money's still good, but fuck you. I wonder what kind of like scandals and scams they have on Discord that they have to deal with. I wonder. Because like every business has drama, right? I wonder what theirs is. Highly curious. I guess it's just Microsoft trying to buy them, right? That's like the biggest tragedy of their lifetime.
Yeah, pretty much. And in their days, I tried the tragedy. And I'm gonna close Pound Yen shorts. Fuck it.
Yeah, Discord's a great platform though, because like this kind of like community wouldn't exist otherwise. It'd be very hard to get going. So it's pretty.
Oh, it's a red zero. Damn it. So close.
A red zero? What?
Yeah, I just closed Pound Yen and then it dipped down and it got me a red zero. That means it's less than 0.00
Wow.
whatever percent loss, but it's still a loss.
Yeah. Just make sure you didn't do that with 1,110 lots. It'll be okay. Or whatever.
That would be kind of something if you have 1,000 lots on and you're closing with a red zero.
Yeah. Legendary. Man. I wonder how much you would have made with Aussie Yen with that 110 lots yesterday, because it kept going down. God.
10, 15 grand easy.
See, you could have totally gifted me Nitro with that. Like, that would have been easy. I can't afford $10.
$3.99.
I gotta use that for fucking cigarettes. Oh, it's $3.99? Huh. Really? Wait, what? Hold on. I thought it was $10.
Oh, no, boost. Additional boost is $3.99 because I have like 40 of them.
Oh, yeah.
You think the SwingFish server is famous? No, it isn't. It's just me.
Well, all right, that's a good joke because I know that you're like 80% of the boosts, but there's a good amount of boosters in here. Wow,
Okay, I'm 30% of the boost.
Oh, okay. Dude, Wobbler's a booster, but he's not active. I'm gonna make him become active in here. How do I do that? Oh, by the way, I did the fucking, I'm not sure if he coded it right, and if you heard me right now, he'd hate me. But I had him do the high, low, and mid yesterday. He did it pretty quick. It looked the same as the pivot, which doesn't make sense because the pivot looks near the same as the VWAP, so I think he did something wrong because it was exactly identical. But
Wait, what did you just say?
a lot of things. Basically, the X scalp thing, like I had him put in the formula.
No,
for
I didn't understand all that. Just the formula. Just say the formula again.
high, low, middle. Just the highest high and the lowest low in the middle. That's supposedly what Xscalp uses. But it came out the same as the exact. I think he fucked something up. I don't know. But I tried. Anyways, I still think the Xscalp version is the worst version to use. I think the adaptive, because like I made a good point yesterday about pound being really, really low, and if it ranges for a while, it's not technically bearish anymore. And if you're using VWAP or something, it'll it'll average in. So it's just like, yeah, take that Xscalp guy. Yeah, fuck your potatoes in Idaho. Yeah. Yeah, Usman, can you gift me Nitro, please? Thank you. Oh, you've boosted this server 11 times. God damn. Yeah, my fucking thing was supposed to come yesterday on eBay and it didn't. And I swear to God, if it ends up in Nevada again. I swear to God.
Do you guys display your trades for viewers to copy or mirror?
No. Company has a better investment system which guarantees a 10% return.
Yep.
If you copy trades, that makes you essentially an investor.
Yeah, you might as well just invest with Envoid lenders at that point. It's safer too. You'll never be able to copy fish ever. Don't even try. He'll say he's gonna get out 20 times, and at some point, like, you're gonna fuck up if you try to follow him.
A lot have tried.
Sorry, I don't know where that comes from.
And then people that using free shit demanding proof for free stuff. And then I stopped doing that.
Yeah. Yeah,
Got ya.
no.
Thanks.
Yeah, the stream has like many purposes. Promotes the SwingFish community. Mario's trading. Extreme clout points. By the way, guys, SwingFish has a bit clout coin. All right,
My value dropped by half for some reason.
What the fuck?
Maybe that's because I did the corporate share buyback.
Yeah.
Okay, pound yen is going up, but the Nikkei is not going anywhere. Damn it.
Anyone who gives me Nitro, I'll vouch for them for the prop run.
Wow, full-scale whoring going on here. What? SwingFish Helper says I'm 0.7% in profit. That's not. Oh, that's because I made a deposit yesterday.
Okay. This man just posting all this shit in HODL. Alright.
Oh, sorry, I did hot mic you. What did you say?
Nothing. Usman just posted all his credit card information in HODL and then fucking deleted it. I don't think you want to do that. What the fuck? He deleted it though. What the fuck? Alright, but Usman, you gotta... Oh, you accepted me on Discord as a friend, dude. I was trying to become your friend for so long.
$CAD.
Oh, man.
Mr. Snoo, how long are you the shadow of Mr. Swing?
Oh, it's silver again.
A shadow. Have a shadow?
Yeah. Silver's been slowly, like, trying to squeeze my balls every day. It's very weird.
That's some sort of fetish.
I'm making it one. Apparently, if you talk in here often, I'm your shadow or something. Yeah, I don't even have the same trade style, so.
Islametric, a US company?
CAD.
Hold on. That threw me off.
Sorry, belong to community.
Belong to community. Dude, you're not even in voice chat because you're a fucking pussy, so. Said it the other day.
About us. Doesn't say where they are from. I have to read the About Us text or what to find out where they are from.
What are you looking up?
La Matrix.
La Matrix.
Doesn't say where they are from. But they have a LinkedIn. Okay. Headquarters in London. You know, they're selling this cool wall clock for like $200, and I'm sitting here like a fucking idiot and waiting for it for 2 weeks. That's just unacceptable.
Last for the year.
Yeah, that's concerning. I'm like partially paying attention. Is this like some like PayPal substitute thing or like what? What's going on?
No, it's a smart clock which is was crowdfunded, which is actually really good, and they have no competition whatsoever.
Oh, okay.
I wanted to have one since over a year, and 2 weeks ago I just ordered one. I never bought it because it's too fucking expensive, but well, at some point you just give up and never mind, whatever. Get it over with. Come on, Nikai, make me some money. Looks like it's not gonna make the VWAP, huh? This looks more like a sell, to be honest.
Yeah.
The euro dollar refuses to break out too.
Yeah, looks cool. Clock.
Yeah, I wanted one since 2017. They're just fucking expensive. And I waited for forever to find something that's actually affordable. So I ordered one, and like a week later I get an email from them that your clock is in customs in Hong Kong. What the fuck? Of course it's still there.
Further from the mayor saying it is urgent for the EU to ratify formally financial and measures for the bloc.
Probably a US company. Says ships to us in 5 to 7 days.
I just looked in on LinkedIn. They say they have headquarters in London.
They probably have a lot of shit going on with that.
It's probably produced in China. That's why they ship it from Hong Kong. But this is just... I said they probably have produced in China, so that's why they're shipping from Hong Kong, which is fine. But if you sell something that expensive, then there should be no delays.
I just want to try out my neural network. One time I had a package come to like literally my city. Next day it's in a different state. And I'm like,
Said
God
monthly
damn.
return.
Fuck.
Are you asking this question seriously? I'm not a Bitcoin scammer. You mistaking me for somebody else. If I would make a 10% a week, I would not do anything what I'm doing. I would just sitting on a beach somewhere and burn $500 notes to make more space for the $1,000 notes.
Yeah.
So yearly.
They're saying they would like it to be able to arrive at a way to differentiate between the debt situations of different European member state countries.
If Fish was making 10% a month on the fund, he would just tell us all to fuck off.
Yeah, then I will have a huge studio for the live stream and stuff like that. We'll do the same what Sosnov does, because this is my actual end goal.
Early research news here as we look to US political space. Fitch expecting Biden to downplay tensions over exchange rate policies with trade partners in Asia, as the currency frictions posing limited macro risk for Asian sovereigns, they note.
Cessnoff? Who's that? Or
Tom Sosnov.
On the site.
He just has a small advantage over me. He sold Thinkorswim to TD Ameritrade for $400 million.
oh, that guy from Thinkers Tasty Trade, the Tasty Trade guy. Okay.
And then they just founded Tasty Trade and talk about trading all day for
10% a year is nothing to brag about.
fun.
That's why I ask. Swing.
Because he can just afford it.
Could
10%
you show
a-
the IX chart?
10% a year is nothing to brag about. It's a guaranteed 10% a year.
EURUSD is going up to January
Whatever.
1990.
Oh my god. These guys are so fucking stupid.
Can you guarantee 10%, Kevin?
Yeah, it's a guaranteed 10%. Like, by contract. Like, fuck off. You can keep your shit in your fucking savings account, make a percent a year.
Yeah, make a percent a year, and you have to pay a 5% management fee, and you're gonna lose 10% on inflation. Hey! That's how it's done. He's probably too much on Instagram or something like that.
Dude, you don't know how about his fucking Tesla and Bitcoin trade, alright? He can guarantee you 1,000% for this one instance and this one time only, so. I don't get it, guys. I made 1,000%, but then I lost 100%. Why is my account gone? I don't get it. What the fuck?
Percentages are a bitch. Because plus 1,000% minus 100% is not minus 900. It's not plus 900.
Further from Amer saying it could be possible to cancel the debts of certain French
Do
companies
you
as
always
part of a
berate
general
anyone
measure
who
to help
asks
the
a
French
real
economy
question?
cope with the pandemic.
No,
Well, how about asking a real question?
yeah, the fuck. You can also go to his website.
Swing where we can check how your invoid works.
God, silver's just as stupid. Holy fuck.
Top of the hours with the European cash equity open. Additionally, we do have the final March readings for Spanish CPI set for release, with year-on-year 1.3% expected to remain unchanged, and the EU harmonized year-on-year reading 1.2%.
We need Wonder Man talking more in chat. He's like
1%
intelligent
expected,
at least.
Harmonized
Fuck.
1.9%. To the core ratings for Spain, CPI core year-on-year power 0.3%, while the month-on-month figure
Thank you,
previously
Snoo.
flat. Additionally, at the top of the hour, we need to hear from ECB's De Guindos will be presenting the ECB's annual report. Go to ECB's website at the top of the hour. Additionally, we have posted a link onto our board to watch the events live.
Don't have to thank me, someone has to tell you.
Looks like the resistance on the euro is holding. Maybe just exiting that position. Dollar CAD is spiking over the reverb just now.
Scale in 10.
Could not resist.
I think I'm gonna post that screenshot of what he said about the company. Hold on. Just fucking call him out. He's so annoying. It's been going on for like weeks now with this guy. I told Ado Beast I was right. It's probably silver in disguise.
Remember when we went to Hollywood? We did stuff that we never thought we would. Backstage parties, drinks
Just under 3 minutes time now to the top of the hour as we wait the final March reading for Spanish inflation. Additionally, the ECB's de Guindos set to be presenting the ECB's annual report.
Come on, you can do it, damn it. Da ist still der Viva-Bin dabei.
Dollar CAD.
.3% year-on-year for Spanish CPI, while EU harmonized year-on-year at 1.2%, month-to-month 1%, as EU harmonized month-to-month at 1.9%, as all these Spanish inflation readings come in unchanged for the final March reading.
DAX.
No sign of a release yet on the ECB's website for de Guindos.
Ah, shit, the DAX is just tanking.
Seeing the publish of the ECB's annual report for 2020 on the ECB's website. We'll post the full thing onto our board. Just noting how the euro area economy was struck by the pandemic in 2020 as economic activity did contract sharply.
I'll be back in a second. I have an appointment in the bedroom. Pretty sure the euro is gonna go smash down in a minute.
The Guindos saying they continue to stand ready to adjust all of their instruments as appropriate.
The second guy.
All stakeholders must complement the ECB's loose policy, to Guindos' comments. Risks from the early withdrawal policies are higher than the risk associated with keeping support measures in place, to Guindos' comments, as they must avoid the cliff effects from premature end of support. At the moment, risks from the early withdrawal policies are higher, again to repeat the risks associated with keeping support measures in place. Guindos saying it's the utmost important that the EU Recovery Fund isn't delayed.
Mistakes now, 'cause I don't wanna stay, wanna live my own life, wanna feel passion for something or someone that makes my world turn upside down.
CAD.
Wanna give it up for something or someone that's better than this. So don't be too offended, I had to leave. There's nothing in for me, no, I'm not fitting in. I've packed my things to go, am I being naive? But it's my choice to make, it's my new rebellious way.
Usman, I don't know. We in the admins and stuff, we were discussing him the other day because he just keeps doing this, like being randomly whatever. It's like a dude at a bar that's drunk, right? Walking around. He's clearly failing somewhere and it's leaking into everything. So he's taking it out on the community. So yeah. And that thing with him talking shit about Enfoid was like a week ago. So yeah. Can't really be passive aggressive around me because I'll just become actively aggressive. Eventually, I mean, I waited patiently. It's been like this for a few weeks.
You aggressive? No.
Oh no, this was in text chat, Kevin. No, thanks. Yeah, I'm not like aggressive, just I don't like being passive aggressive. That's what I mean. I'll just communicate whatever I'm thinking. Instead of like this guy, he's just going around shit talking the community, meanwhile he's a member. It's really weird.